Modal Verbs Quiz by English Quiz by Levels. Intermediate level. There are 15 questions of intermediate level. You'll have 10 seconds for each question. Are you ready? Let's start the quiz. Question 1. The answer is mustn't. Mustn't, must not, is used to express prohibition, meaning something is not allowed. Question 2. The answer is can't be. Can't is used when we are certain that something is not true. Question 3. The answer is don't have to. Don't have to is used to express that something is not necessary. Question 4. The answer is could. Could is the past form of can and is used to talk about abilities in the past, when I was 5. Question 5. The answer is should. Should is used to give advice or suggest the best course of action. Question 6. The answer is was able to. Was able to is used for a specific past situation where someone successfully did something. Could, used for general past ability, not a specific situation. Question 7. The answer is may and could. May is more formal than can when requesting permission. Could is a polite way used for asking someone to do something. Question 8. The answer is have to and can. Have to expresses necessity or obligation. Getting a visa is required. Can expresses permission. Once we have the visa, we're allowed to go. Question 9. The answer is must. Must is used when we are very sure about something based on strong evidence. 3 a.m. Question 10. The answer is had better. Had better is stronger than should and implies a warning or consequence if advice is ignored. Question 11. The answer is maybe. May is used to express a possible future. The sentence suggests that Mr. Brown might have to resign in the future because of the scandal. Question 12. The answer is needn't have. Needn't have plus past participle is used when someone did something but later realizes it wasn't necessary. Question 13. The answer is must have been. Must have past participle is used to express strong certainty about a past event based on evidence. Question 14. The answer is must have been. Must have past participle is used to express strong certainty about a past event based on evidence. Question 15. The answer is can't have been. Can't have plus past participle is used to express strong certainty that something did not happen in the past. That's the end of the Modal Verbs Quiz today, and you did a great job. How many did you get right? Don't forget to share your score in the comment. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out on a new quiz. Thank you for watching. See you in the next quiz.